The Human Resource Service Center presents Accounting Job Interview Questions and Answers. Recording by Eddie Chigozi. Are you preparing for an accounting interview? There is a lot of competition in the job market nowadays for the position of accounting, and you need to be well prepared. This audio will list some of the common accounting interview questions along with answers to help you ace it. Accounting is an important part of any organization, and they usually hire someone who has good knowledge in the field. It is popularly known as the language of business and is core to the growth of an organization. If you want, you can improve your skills with a professional accounting certification. Interviewers are likely to cover all the basics of accounting and challenging questions as well. Here are some of the top accounting interview questions which are generally expected. Question: how many types of business transactions are there in accounting? The answer: there are two types of business transactions in accounting: revenue and capital. Question: explain real and nominal accounts with examples. The answer: a real account is an account of assets and liabilities. For example, land account, building account, etc. A nominal account is an account of income and expenses. For example, salary account, wages account, etc. Question: which accounting platforms have you worked on? Which one do you prefer the most? In the answer, describe the accounting platforms, QuickBooks, Microsoft Dynamic GP, etc. that you have worked with and which one you liked the most. Question: what is double entry bookkeeping? What are the rules associated with it? The answer: double entry bookkeeping is an accounting principle where every debit has a corresponding credit. Thus, the total debit is always equal to the total credit. In this system, when one account is debited, then another account gets credited at the same time. Question: what is working capital? The answer: working capital is calculated as current assets minus current liabilities, which is used in day-to-day trading. Question: how do you maintain accounting accuracy? The answer: maintaining the accuracy of an organization's accounting is an important activity as it can result in a huge loss. There are various tools and resources which can be used to limit the potential for errors to creep in and address quickly if any errors do arise. Question: what is TDS? Where do you show TDS on a balance sheet? The answer: TDS, tax deducted at source, is a concept aimed at collecting tax at every source of income. In a balance sheet, it is shown in the assets section, right after the head current asset. Question: what is the difference between accounts payable (AP) and accounts receivable (AR)? The answer: accounts payable, the amount a company owes because it purchased goods or services on credit from a vendor or supplier. Accounts payable are liabilities. Accounts receivable, the amount a company has right to collect because it sold goods or services on credit to a customer. Accounts receivable are assets. Question: What is the difference between a trial balance and a balance sheet? The answer: a trial balance is the list of all balances in a ledger account and is used to check the arithmetical accuracy in recording and posting. A balance sheet, on the other hand, is a statement which shows the assets, liabilities, and equity of a company and is used to ascertain its financial position on a particular date. Question: is it possible for a company to show positive cash flow and still be in grave trouble? The answer: yes. If it shows an unstable improvement in working capital and involves lack of revenue going forward in the pipeline. Are you looking for a job? Are you thinking about changing your job? Have you sent out hundreds of job applications but not been called for any job interview? You have the qualifications. You even have the experience. So that cannot be the problem. It is possible that the problem is the way you present yourself in the job market. The Human Resource Service Center is giving out free advice which has been tested and proven to really work. How to make your CV irresistible to recruiters. How to answer interview questions for different job positions. How to present yourself in front of an interview panel and leave them impressed and ready to give you the job. So, if you are looking for a job, if you want to change jobs, or even if you are self-employed as a consultant, join the Professional CV Writers group on Telegram. Send a WhatsApp text request to +256 772 481 995 and you will immediately be able to join the Professional CV Writers Super Group.